YouTube. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the parking brake on the 2016 Ford F-150. And like always, if you guys find this helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. That way you can help me out and help get me to 1,000 subscribers and continue growing from there. So as you see, we're already in park. And there's a pedal right here at the left foot. All you do is go all the way down on it. You'll hear the clicking as you go. And you'll get a red parking brake indicator on your instrument panel. That lets you know it's on. Now to turn it off, you go back to that same pedal and you release it. And now it's off. Pretty quick and easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you leave a like and make sure you guys take it easy, okay? All right, take care.